In today's video, we are going to show you how to fast forward on Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open the assigned video from your class dashboard. For example, this is going to be the video. I want you to click the play to start it, which is going to be found right here. Now, of course, you will see the progress bar. Try to click or drag the progress bar playhead forward. Okay. Now, if you can't move it forward, okay, if fast forward is disabled, you will notice that the timeline is locked. For example, in this video. That means you can't drag the video ahead and you must continue in order to watch. Okay, so the reason is that teachers often turn off the skipping so students can watch the entire lesson, don't miss the important questions, and of course, answer embedded questions correctly. Now, what you can do instead, if the video is locked for you to fast forward, okay, I want you to click the number right here, which has like a number and the X. This is an ability for you to adjust the playback speed if it's enabled. Right now, we are using the normal. Of course, you can use like 1.25, 1.5 times difference, 1.75. As you can see, it's changing, right? If you check the twice the speed, you'd be able to, of course, kind of fast forward. Now, if you want the video to be reverted back to its normal speed, just click the 1 times normal. And basically, that's it on how to fast forward on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.